Hey guys, here is the Tiger Balm Warm Plaster. I've never used their plaster before, so we're gonna test it out together here. It's got a bit of a weird packaging on it, so it has a package inside of another package with packages inside of that. Also important to note, on the back here, comes with showing you how to apply it. Super important. So, good to pay attention to that. Let's go ahead and put all these down. Like here are the adhesive sheets to use for the plasters. Let's open up this, and here's where we should find the plasters themselves. All right, so according to the instructions, we got to take off the backing on this and then put this on there. I'll go ahead and do that. Boom. Gonna put this with the film side out on to the plaster, and now we just take off this film and we're ready to apply it. So let's take off that plastic. That smells really nice. For me, I'm going to use it on my hip. I've just got a little bit of muscle thing going on there, so feels a little bit menthol at first. I'm sure it'll take a few minutes to take effect and feel anything else, but aside from the difficulty and it's got a few steps to put it together, it's a pretty nice plaster, and I'm excited to use it.